Hi there, it's Nan. I love painting on the go, so I made these mini watercolor sketchbooks to carry with me everywhere. This is my old sketchbook full of memories from last year. You might have seen it in my last sketchbook tour video. But guess what? I've already finished a new one this year and I'm excited to flip through it with you. Let's start from the end and revisit these tiny adventures together. Here's the last painting in the sketchbook, my tiniest piece in a step-sized format. I painted it during my stay on Corfu Island in July. I've been a little obsessed with koi fish lately. They are so cute and actually simple to paint. I even made a video tutorial on them. This one came from my imagination. I really like the soft, blended colors and the green. It's such an elegant bird and a symbol of happiness in Chinese tradition. And here's my cat, Soja. It's the first time I painted his portrait. I may have made him a bit too chubby. Some random flowers I painted at a cafe to pass the time. Watercolor is so satisfying for flowers. Just a few shapes and highlights can really bring them to life. Oh, this one is my favorite painting in the entire sketchbook. I was reading the short story The Star Above the Forest by Stephen Zweig, and this scene just came to my mind. I still remember that story well. It's sad but really beautiful. Nothing better than a fresh lemonade on a summer afternoon. I used negative painting for the straw here. I still remember the moment when I was sitting by the lake after sunset. It felt so peaceful and safe. This view of Lake Annecy is one I've painted many times. I love painting outdoors, especially during hikes in the mountains. Here are some tiny flowers. I can almost feel the gentle breeze from that day. I painted this one as a demo during a workshop in Annecy, sitting right in front of these mountains by the lake. Now we jump to my trip to China in March. I remember painting this one on the tree to Yangshuo. Perspective is always tricky for me. This one looks pretty good. This is a famous bridge in my hometown, Chongqing. It's the only painting in this sketchbook where I started with a pencil sketch first. Not sure if you can tell in such a tiny format, but the bridge was really huge. Every time I see bamboo, I want to paint it. This was a traditional garden in Suzhou where I spotted this little bamboo forest. This is part of a large tree near my apartment. I've always felt a special connection with trees. There's something gentle and grounding about them. Oops, the masking tape is still on this one. It's not finished yet. I was planning to paint a plane here. I started it at the Geneva airport, but I didn't want to miss my flight, so I had to stop halfway. A simple little Christmas tree, and I used a playful technique to paint it quickly. I painted in a cafe just to sketch on what was in front of me, but somehow it doesn't really feel right. And finally, the first painting of this sketchbook and also the last in this tour. It's another view of Lake Annecy on a windy day. I love the lights in this one, especially how it breaks through the clouds and the shimmering effect on the water. And that's it. So many memories in such a tiny sketchbook. If you want to explore watercolor in a simple and playful way, check out my online miniature watercolor course for beginners and enjoy 40% off for a limited time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more relaxing videos like this. I'm Nan, a miniature watercolor addict. See you next time.